Sometimes it's great when something is not urgent and you have time to just let it come. And like last week, I had to wait for a friend on the piazza, and then I was, while waiting, just going over to the discarica. It's a place where people bring big things that don't go with the normal garbage. And I spotted like an old wooden double door that is perfect for the entry into the kitchen, from the little entry hall to the kitchen. It's almost the right size. It's like 2 meters or 2.10 meters high. And I anyway have to adjust the opening a little bit, like the width of the opening. That was great. So I just brought them to the house. I still go on with my kitchen cupboards. I have like 3 types, like I described last time, like small, middle, and rather big or deep. In the deeper ones, I just put 1 shelf. The smaller ones, I probably put 2 shelves. One will be for cups and glasses. And in the other one, I might put like all the spices. And I have to measure like the height of the jars of the spices. Then those shelves I'm making out of the African wood. And you see me oiling them. Again, like a new color, like the dark color appears. And then I just put it like the prototype already on the wall. That's how it's going to look like. So all those small steps are bringing me closer to the kitchen, a usable kitchen, where I can store things and that I can actually just start now for the whole summer to prepare my own meals and eventually also to have guests around the table.